In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete bookmark histories and tabs on Safari. So let's go to Safari. And what you want to do is go ahead and I'm going to hit this blue check mark here. What you want to do is go ahead and hit the tabs icon at the bottom right-hand corner. And this is going to bring you to your tabs. So if you want to go through and delete some of these tabs, it's real easy. Just go ahead and hit the X at the top right-hand corner. If you want to delete multiple at the same time, go ahead and hit the three dots at the top left corner, hit select tabs, and from there you'll be able to select multiple tabs and just close them out really simply and really easy. Let's go ahead and hit the blue check mark, and let's go ahead and hit the blue check mark at the bottom right hand corner. If you want to go ahead and delete some of your bookmarks, go ahead and hit the book icon right next to it at the bottom of your screen here. And then what you want to do is just scroll down and make sure that you're on the bookmarks section here. And you want to scroll down and find your bookmarks. So let's go ahead and delete one. So all you have to do is click and hold the link. And you're going to get a bunch of options here. And all you have to do is hit delete at the very bottom. And that's going to delete that bookmark. I'll just go ahead and click and hold that one. And then hit delete, and that's going to just keep on going through and deleting all of these old bookmarks that you have under your Safari bookmark history on your iPhone. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and clear your bookmark history and your tabs on Safari.